C63 part 3. It's still today Tuesday, 15th of November, alright? The customer, he told me to put the new plates. And that's the new plates. This is the upper, these are the lower. And these are the old one. Let's put it together. Cam adjusters ready. What I don't have, classic, friction washers. Yeah, see you when they will gonna bring me the friction washers. Alright, standing by for now. Small update, I don't remember how long it was the previous video. Just waiting for the stupid friction washers. Thank you. We're gonna see if they bring it today or tomorrow. I hope today. I just now watched the video and it's 59 seconds, not even a minute. Alright, let's spend our time a little bit. What they did the guys here. Where's the rest of the exhaust? Cover's ready, you wash it?
Yeah, I wash it.
Well done. Ah guys, put this exhaust up. It's good. Huh? Yeah, no. AMG.
Yeah.
Let's see what they're doing the welders. Thanks, Derek. What up? You can remove completely this. Yes. Open.
Yep.
This one, make it like that. Yeah, don't make it to be 90 degrees. Don't make it hit a wall and then go left.
I put some smooth.
Yeah, try to, let us say, you are coming from this side, alright? You are coming from this side. How is it going to be more convenient for you? To go like this or to go like this and this?
Straight.
Straight. That's what you're gonna try to do. All right. Try to fix something. Use the lathe. I don't know. Yeah. Also, this for the C class, for the C63. Hello, sir.
Yeah, that's it.
Hello, sir. Looking good?
Yeah.
I have a comment here. I'm gonna stop the video and I have a comment for you. I'm coming back. Don't continue weld. Wait. Maybe you have to remove it again now. Wait. Okay? I'm coming. I'm coming also to you. Let's go to see. Let's stop the video. All parts here I already saw you earlier. Cam adjusters here. I already saw you a minute ago. How long is gonna be the video? Okay, 3.5 minutes. Amazing, excellent. Take it.